all new from the ABC 15 investigators. Imagine you or someone you know facing criminal charges, and then you find out the judge, who was supposed to be fair and impartial, was secretly talking with prosecutors about a new job to work alongside them.
It would be a stunning conflict. But all new tonight, ABC 15 Chief Investigator Dave Biskobing discovered it actually happened right here in Maricopa County.
This is just the latest chapter in our dishonorable investigation. We began by focusing on the conduct in Judge Aaron Otis's courtroom. We exposed she and her staff exchanged emails to mock and ridicule people during hearings and trials, sometimes in death penalty cases. And while under judicial investigation, she left the bench to come work here at the Maricopa County Attorney's Office. And now we know that while she was seeking that job, she was still presiding over a major murder case, and both sides kept it a secret.
Great, this is CR 2000.
It's November 15th, 2019.
Versus Hernandez.
Judge Aaron Otis is about to sentence a man in a major case.
The defendant is guilty of murder in the first degree.
On the left, the defense. On the right, MCAO death penalty prosecutors.
Judge, that's ridiculous.
What the defense didn't know, for the previous month at least, the judge had been actively talking with MCAO about a job to join those same prosecutors.
I don't know what they're afraid of.
It's a stunning conflict, according to legal experts. Is there a conflict issue with that?
Yeah, there is.
Charles Jay is a law professor with Indiana University. We also spoke with Ben Edwards at UNLV.
That's a real problem.
I don't mean to interrupt you.
Again, this sentencing was November 15th, 2019. Emails show before that hearing, Otis exchanged at least 8 emails with MCAO prosecutors about a job, including top officials like County Attorney Alistair Adele. In this email, she sent Adele her resume. In another, she says she texted Executive Rachel Mitchell about options. In this one, Otis tells a prosecutor she spoke with Alistair and Chief Deputy Ken Vick on the phone.
I think that you can understand where if you're worried about judges being impartial and fair, how hard it would be to be fair when your prospective employer is there before you.
That's not something that we would expect to be happening. It raises real questions about the fairness and impartiality.
Records show these conflicts were not investigated or reported to Arizona's Commission on Judicial Conduct or the State Bar. Now, the Judicial Commission did investigate the jokes and memes, but dismissed the complaint, sealed the file, scrubbed Otis's name from the public record, and then gave her a private warning letter.
Sentenced to a term of natural life.
Defense attorneys in the Hernandez case declined to comment, but they will almost certainly raise the conflicts on appeal and in post-conviction relief. So what about MCAO? Top officials won't sit for an interview, but in a statement, they wouldn't answer our direct questions about whether anyone raised these conflict concerns. In their written response, MCAO admits the county attorney and other top executives discussed roles and pay multiple times. And when it comes to the conflict in a major case, their wording was chosen carefully. Quote, the Hernandez matter was never discussed or even mentioned, and the county attorney was not aware that Ms. Otis was still assigned a case being handled by MCAO. That statement says the county attorney specifically was not aware. But we asked if anyone inside MCAO was, because they would have an ethical duty to report it, and if they didn't, that could be a problem. I'm investigator Dave Biskobing, ABC 15, Arizona.
Dave's investigation continues tonight on ABC 15 News at 10. He reveals even more conflicts and the tens of thousands of dollars in taxpayer money MCAO has spent to defend Otis. And catch up on Dave's entire dishonorable investigation with everything he's uncovered so far. You can stream it now on the ABC 15 channel on your smart TV.